Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a birthday card. So let's mention a few things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So the artwork on this template is a cupcake, the brush stroke here, the confetti, and the social media icons. Everything else on the template can be modified. You can change the color of the background, the shape at the bottom, the color of the text, the size, and you can change the font type. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. This section is grouped, so to ungroup, just go to the top right and click on group, and now you can select each section. Let's remove our placeholder here and upload our logo. This logo has a transparent background, so it blends in with the background color. If your logo has a color background, you want to go to Elements, scroll down, go to the section called Frame, select the circle, click on your logo and drag. And now it's going to blend in with the color of the background. You have your Spanish template below and your social media icons on the last page. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.